In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the manual transmission speed sensor on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the side of the transmission. Let's get started. Remove the connector off of the vehicle speed sensor. Push on the button up top, pull the connector straight off. Using a 12mm, we're going to remove the bolt for the vehicle speed sensor. Remove the bolt. Using 2 flat blade screwdrivers, we're going to remove the vehicle speed sensor. Before removing the vehicle speed sensor, be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Some fluid will come out. Once you have the O-ring popped out, we're going to give it a little wiggle and pop it out. We're going to remove the snap ring from the old sensor. And use a flat blade screwdriver and pop this clip back. Remove the shaft. When we install this into the new sensor, we're going to make sure that this drops in. When we put it in, if it's off, it won't fully install. Twist it and it'll drop into place. Install the clip. Pull it around. Lock it into place, and it's ready to go back onto the car. Install the sensor into the transmission. Get the sensor fully installed. Install the bolt. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Snug down the bolt. Torque the bolt to 10 foot-pounds. Clean up the area, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.